we're going to factorise a quadratic, and the quadratic we're going to be looking at today is x squared plus 8x plus 12. Now, the important thing to notice with this is the coefficient of x squared is 1 at the moment, and that's all we're going to be looking at in this video. So, when we factorise a quadratic, we need to get 2 brackets at the bottom. And because the coefficient of x squared is 1, we're going to start each bracket with x. Now, the first thing we need to do is take our constant, which is 12, and we need to find factors of 12. So, we've got 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. The next thing we need to do is look at the coefficient of x, and we can see that that's 8. So we go back to our factors of 12, and we find 2 of the factors that add together to give us our coefficient of x, which is 8. So we find that we need 2 and 6. All we do then is we take those numbers and we put them in our brackets, so x plus 2 and x plus 6. Now, the important thing to realise is that we need to check this to make sure we get what we started with. So, I'm going to use my method of expanding brackets. I'm going to do x times x, which gives me x squared. X times 6, which gives me 6x. 2 times x, which gives me 2x. And 2 times 6, which gives me 12. If I then add these two together and therefore simplify, I end up with x squared plus 8x plus 12, which is what I started with in the first place. So there I have my factorised expression.